Guys, today is December 19th, and as you see overnight, we have got a blizzard. Now, I'm recording this on my little camera. My video camera wasn't charged, and Hart Oak Town is out of power. So, yeah. We got a total record of snow. We got 14 inches. So, they said over tonight, Saturday, we're going to have probably another 3 to 4 inches right there. There is a heat pump, and look at that on top of that. So, yeah. As you see, guys, I just got 2 minutes sitting on this camera.